For our second application presentation, the application I chose was Desmos. Desmos is an online graphing calculator that can provide a supplementary calculator to a math class that is an online format rather than having a graphing calculator in hand. So to find this, you will go to desmos.com, and within the website you will have a graphing calculator at your fingertips. In addition, you will be able, as an instructor, to create an interactive class and have your students join. For the purpose of this, I will simply go into the graphing calculator. Here you can enter different sorts of equations, for instance 2x plus 3y equals 4, and notice how the slope is. So whichever equations were needed in that class that day, you would be able to put it into here, understand what that means in a graphing calculator, what the trends are. In addition, there are different examples, so if you're going over point slope form, you would understand that this picture indicates that. This is really beneficial to a classroom environment that is trying to incorporate technology into the math lesson, because it allows students to visualize what a math trend is while still incorporating the online sense. So rather than having it on paper and doing it manually, you have an interactive online version. Because the app is completely free, it is a very realistic tool to use in the classroom, and I believe that it is incredibly supplementary and allows for the teacher and students to work together to navigate the website, and allows math to become more fun, interactive, and technological.